Wow, this has been the day of tutorials, and this is one of my favorite parts, is when you have your AOScan mobile, you literally can make homeopathic remedies. This is so exciting because normally we would have to go to a practitioner, we would have to look at the constitution of each one of our children, we would need to see what their symptoms were, if it was, you guys know, if you've looked into homeopathic remedies, it can be a little bit overwhelming. What I love right now is at the touch of a button with your AOScan mobile, you can actually go to something which we call homeopathics. You guys see that? Homeopathics. Hopefully there's not a glare on there. And you can either just select which homeopathic remedy you want. You could select cell salts. You could select nosodes, which are kind of like homeopathic vaccines, or you can go over to by symptom. Now this is the easiest way to find out, like let's say your child is at the top, the AOScan has already scanned your child, already understands the ins and outs through all of the details of the scan. So with me being at the top, what I can do is scan to see based on a symptom. So, that's under nosodes. So I'm going to go over here to by symptoms, and let's say the symptom is, for instance, I don't know, what are some of these? Like Achilles tendon. I know people have been having trouble with their Achilles. What you would do is select it with your name at the top and then do a scan. And you can see the homeopathic remedies that it could be, but it's actually going to put them in order from the most important for me to the least important. And I could just do one of them at a time and imprint them and make my own homeopathic sugar pellets, or I could do them all. So you can purchase these sugar pellets from Solex. You can get a box of them. So normally your AOScan would be lying flat like this, and you'd put the sugar pellets right on the fractal amplifier. And then you would go ahead, first you do, just like we always do, do the erase first. After you've erased it, then you can go ahead and imprint. Which is so beautiful about this is, in just a few seconds, you can be imprinting the homeopathic remedies. Now you can see it's doing one at a time. This is the best way to do it, but if you were running out of time and you didn't want to do that, you actually could do them all simultaneously. Now, sometimes this is what people do, is they do simultaneously, and instead of doing sugar pellets, they do the homeopathic remedy right into their water bottle. So you guys already know my favorite water, right? So in this case, I would just set it on there and imprint. I wouldn't do the clearing. Just set it on your AOScan and imprint. This is so cool. Now, let's say that you were scanning someone long distance, which is a lot of what I do too. You can sign up for our link in our bio and see how to sign up for scans. I can send you frequencies long distance. So you could do a 2-minute broadcast to your client, and it's scalar waves. It's going right to the person that is at the top. So think about this. If you have my phone number, you can call me. That's how we do the scan, in person. You say your voice and we do it phone to phone. If you have my phone number, you can actually call me and leave a voice memo where you're not actually reaching me, but you're still leaving the message there. That's what we're doing with this, is we're sending the message to you of this frequency for these homeopathic remedies. And if your body receives it, it receives it. If it doesn't need it, it doesn't need it. This is such an important, amazing tool that you have right here at the touch of a button, and I'm going to go ahead and stop it. Do you guys think this is so cool? There's more to it than this. The whole homeopathic section is absolutely incredible. You can really delve into 700 different frequencies that are in here. Let's say we didn't know what frequency we wanted for a person. You can put their name at the top and you can do scan, or you can just do their symptom. So like for me right now, this is saying that I would benefit from, what does it say? Immune support, which makes sense. I felt a little bit congested this morning. You might have heard it earlier in our videos. Same thing we would do is I could either imprint my water, I could imprint my jewelry, I could imprint my chapstick, my makeup, or whatever you're going to put on your body, your food, your drink, your coffee, imprint it by just doing imprint. Isn't it so simple? I love it. It's just made our lives so much better. And I love getting the text. I just got a text yesterday from one of our clients who said, my body feels amazing. She's 30 years old, and that's what I love to hear. You know, someone who was in pain and not feeling fantastic to my body feels amazing. Is that what that, it's so cool. Okay, I'll post some more videos. This is probably the last one today, but enjoy your AO scan. Use it to the fullest. It's not just for an inner voice. It's not just for easy scan. You have basically a health clinic right in your hands. See you guys later.